Either way, we've got your Easy Cares 60, 50, 40, 30, Delicates 40 and 30, Woolens 40, 30 and gold, gentle rinsing, starching, pump out, spin and short spin. You've got like Cottons, 95, Economy, that's still in the test mode then. Right, turn to Cottons. Right, so we're going to turn to Cotton Intensive program. Looks like Cotton 60 Eco, and it looks like the moisture has eaten it. This is like Daily 44, 90, 20, Cotton 30, Cotton 40, Cotton Eco 40, Cotton 60, Cotton Eco 60, and Cotton Eco Cotton 90. We have two options. We're going to select mix load.
Perfect cycle. What is this shirt size?
Right, so program A. I'll show you the programs anyway. So features you get. Anyway, let's just take a look. We on different programs with set temperatures. I would select denim, but for this we're gonna select cotton programs. So we've got cottons, colours, easy care, hand wash.
Anyway,
Other than whatever it was then. Right, go backwards there. It's previous, and then back on again, and it will still register. Ready? So, cotton C, turn. From, say, spin to backwards, sometimes it'll set reset. We've got cottons 9, nothing. Right.
Dead giveaway. We're going to be doing the Dark Wash program. And Synthetics 40. A quick wash today, Express 40, Vario Perfect. So we're using Daily 4. Cold Wash, Express 15, which is program 8, using Cottons 90. 13. I have Cotton 60 program dial. This is very stiff for what it should be. To spin. We're having Rapid Plus cottons.
Program 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
That weight there. Yep. Knob with
I sure am. Right, so on program number 1. To turn the knob around, and we're going to actually do a rinse and spin. A spin ray.
We spin this round to program 6 in this round. No options.
Cotton 60s.
Boop, boop. Right the way around to program 9. That's going to cotton, sorry, minimum line 60. Easy care 60. Turn the dial all the way around to wool.
Hour and 10 minutes.
Mixed fabric.
And I think it goes up to 90.
The fucking cot next to the bed.
Oh.
And
Yeah, that's synthetics 60. Anyway, but we're doing the economy cycle. Oh, it was already on program 9 because I used that yesterday. It's flash clean. That round to synthetics 60. Down to easy care 4. Onto the sleep, but for the sake of the video, let's turn the dial around. Turn this all the way around to wool 30. So it's not wool 4. Turn it around to cottons. Turn that around to A-wash. Turn it round to program 6. Sports. Do cottons 95.
Cotton's 90.